Hi everybody, Cherry Creek High School, Math, CP Algebra 1. This is second semester chapter 8 answers. Here's another review of our problems. This is worksheet number 10. Okay, worksheet number 10. Looks like we're gonna have to use negative b over 2a on this one. So I'm gonna get so it's gonna be 4 over 2, which comes down to just 2. Plug 2 back in, that's for our vertex. That's gonna give me 4 minus 8 plus 2. So that's going to give me negative 2. So 2, negative 2, 2, negative 2. And our pattern graph is so our vertex is at 2, negative 2. Our roots, I'm going to go right one up 1, left one up 1, right one up 3, left one up 3. Pattern graphing did work. Unfortunately, we can't see exactly where across the x-axis, so those might have to be used with the quadratic formula. And then it looks like my y-intercept is at 0, 2. So we might call these irrational, because we can't see them exactly, can't find the fractional amount that they are. Problem number 3 is in vertex form, so my vertex is going to be 1, 2, because it's opposite inside, same outside. So there's my vertex, 1, 2. So 1, 2 is here. It opens down. My pattern graph is going to work as negative 2, negative 6, negative 10. So right one down 2, left one down 2, right one down 6, 2. Left one down 6. I think we have enough information for that one. Looks like we do have roots. We have a root at 0, 0, and we have another root at 2, 0. That's where it crosses the x-axis. The y-intercept is also at 0, 0. That happens to be coincidental. Okay. Oh, we forgot the axis of symmetry. So remember, the axis of symmetry is the vertical line. So x equals the x component of the vertex, and x equals 1. Is on that. So the axis of symmetry is always the x component of the vertex. Number 5, it looks like it's in vertex form. It's shifted left 1. So my vertex is going to be at negative 1, 0, which is here. So that's also going to be a root, negative 1, 0. We don't have a second root. It's going to go right one up 1, left one up 1, right one up 3, left one up 3. And doesn't have a second root because it's bouncing off. Looks like my y-intercept is going to be 0, 1. My axis of symmetry, remember, it's always x equals the x component of your vertex. Okay, so identify the domain and the range. So the domain, remember, on these will be negative to positive infinity. The range, it's going to go to negative infinity, and it looks like it's going to go from 4, square bracket, to negative infinity, because it's opening down. The intervals where it's decreasing, so it's decreasing right here, so it is actually decreasing from negative 1 to infinity. Oh, the maximum or minimum value is C, so this is a max value right here. So our maximum value is at 4. And then we already answered D. E, any roots, it does appear that it crosses here and here. So my roots are going to be negative 3, 0, and 1, 0. And then letter F, I can't see what that says anymore. Letter F, the coordinates of the vertex. Oh, the vertex looks like it's negative 1, 4. And the axis of symmetry is going to be the x component of the vertex, so x equals negative 1. And then I forgot what letter H was. What is the y-intercept? Okay, the y-intercept, it looks like it crosses right there, so that's 0, 3. So I have a y-intercept at 0, positive 3. This one's going to be done the exact same way. I think you should be able to handle that just fine. Ask your teacher to go over that if you need help. Okay.